Wilbur, that's Wilbur.
This is Wilbur, the mouse. Let's see, he needs a little exercise because he's a little chunky. We've got Sully over here who needs a little exercise because he's got way too much energy. So we're gonna race the two. Look at them go.
Yeah, they're really going.
Wow.
Go. Ready?
They'd like a checkered flag, please?
Back here.
Or what is it that they wave at the beginning of a race?
Wait.
Okay.
Ready? No.
All right.
Ah, command.
Well.
Sully, go.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Wilbur's taking the lead.
Go, Wilbur.
Wilbur's
Wrong way, Wilbur.
Going backwards.
Wilbur's inching
Wilbur's
back.
going around in circles in the ball.
Wow, the excitement is building.
Come on, Sully.
Sully, do something.
You were doing circles in your cage.
It's like this, remember?
Come on. Sullivan,
There you go, friend.
come on.
No. He says no, this is done.
Like a niche.
Is that his new ball? God, it's all scraped up and nasty already.
No.
Okay, well,
And
Wilbur?
check back next week for the results.
Yes.
Feeling like a
Wilbur.
turtle race.
Yes, I was going to say, I think we would have more excitement with the turtle
turtles,
races.
the turtles
Yeah,
will probably
well-
go faster.
Adobe's
The
always trying to
turtles
scratch
with no
out
legs,
the-
we could probably race faster.
Wow.
Ready?
Phew, okay. Oh boy, Sullivan. That's exciting.
What's he have to say?
He is just having a ball with this roll of toilet paper. Yes, you are. All right.